I'm with Brett from Parris RV, proud sponsor of the Good for Utah Road Tour. And Brett, what are we hitting the road in this summer?
This is the perfect Super C motorhome to go out and hit our parks like we're going to show today. This is a 2025 Isata 5. The model is called a 30FW. It's built by Dynamax, and it's a division of Forest River, but it really is the ultimate Super C. It's got a 360 Cummins, so it's diesel. It's got, it's 4x4, so you can take it off-road. And this particular one, they make it both ways. They make it standard or they make it this way. This way that we're showing today is the Extreme package. And what that means is it's got 41-inch off-road wheels and tires.
Yeah, the tires are huge.
Yeah, great big off-road wheels and tires. In fact, the back of these motorhomes typically have dualies. This has got a super single, so it's got a great big massive single tire on the back, made to go off-road. 4-point liquid suspension that's adjustable to give you the very best ride at all times. And of course, having a 360 Cummins, an 8,000 watt Onan diesel generator, 4-point auto level, full wall slide, queen bed in the back, sleeps 8. The perfect Super C, 5500 Super C chassis to take your family out and go visit these parks.
I know, but Brett, you go off-road and you still get the comfort inside.
You do. It's absolutely meant to hit the backcountry and have everything at your fingertips. It's got 1,000 watts of solar. It's got 400 amps of lithium batteries. It's got a 3,000 watt inverter. This thing is built to go off-road and hit your adventure, take your family out in style.
Yeah, only thing left to do, put your family inside.
Put your family in and go.
And go. 4 locations of Parris RV, 2 in Murray, 1 in Pocatello, and 1 in Payson. And please stay tuned. By the way, thank you for sponsoring the Good for Utah Road Tour. You'll find out where they are today. Watch ABC4.